There we go. Uh, yeah. Uh, nah, let's go with the Yoshi rug for right now. Okay. Well, I mean, I basically have everything I need. I just need a couple more blocks. Uh, yeah, let's go ahead and grab some tickets. Because I know they're going to ask me to build that tent pretty soon. I do have an Animal Crossing card around here. I don't know if I want to use it though. Because, like the journey to getting in that Cat Island, that'll be the big thing around here. But we'll see how I feel about it. And by the way, it's not that one boy cat that got popular. I was sort of thinking how I would, prevent people from, taking my cat residence if I didn't want to get rid of them. And I was thinking that probably the easiest way, since this area is directly in front of the airport, I could make some fencing and put up some fencing and just lead everybody straight to this place. But I don't know. I mean, I get not wanting to get rid of your neighbors, certain neighbors that you really like.